Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to receive your Wise debit card. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it, just like this little fox. First, open your Wise account, and when you register to the Wise program, you will see this opening page. On your home page, there will be no history to showcase, and you will have to open a balance. I already made a video about opening a balance, so you can check out that if you are interested. But now I will show you how to create an account. So just tap on the second button right here on the bottom to the account button, and here you will you can order your debit card. It's a Visa debit card. It's a green card like this, a Wise card. Just tap on the order your card. Here it will explain all the important information for this debit card. Get a debit card for a 5 GDP fee. No subscription needed. This is a one-time fee to cover costs. Spend in 150 countries, more than 150. One card to spend or withdraw money with the real exchange rate. Start spending instantly. Your card details are ready to use as soon as you order. Auto cover on the go. Spend in any currency and we will take care of conversions with our low fees. Get instant notifications. See what you have spent and track in-app at home, abroad and on the move. Withdraw from ATMs anywhere. Withdraw fees apply if you go over your fee-free limit. And that's all you have to know about the Wise Visa debit card. You can tap on the order your card and you have to enter all the information, your address and any specific information that is needed. You will have to pay the 5 font fee for the card and you will receive your Wise debit card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.